Hi, I'm Mike, and I'm from Prepare for Emergency, and today we're talking about our new survival shovel that we're going to be giving away. So today, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of it, some of the parts that come with it. Nice little carry case. Okay, so each handle piece has different tools in it. This one obviously has, when you unscrew it, nice little saw inside. Okay, this one has a nice little screwdriver. This could also be used as a screwdriver too if you need to. So on the end here you got a flint for starting fires. Compass in case you lose your way. The nice thing is, all these pieces are interchangeable. So if you want a bigger handle for your knife and your saw, there you go. And then, oh, wrong way. There we go. So when you put the handle together, nice and tight on each piece. There it goes. And there you go. Then just screw the handle into the end of the shovel. And then you got a nice little shovel, nice little blade, saw here, ball over here, hex bolts here, good nice sharp edge. And then if you want to do some gardening or anything else you might want to do while camping, you got a hoe. Who doesn't like a hoe?
Nice hoe.
And for those zombies, you got a nice little bat.
Sweet.
So we're going to give this away when we get 100 subscribers on our YouTube channel. So some lucky winner will just put in a comment and help us get some subscribers, and someone will be winning this. So give us a like and subscribe to our channel and help let everyone, all your friends know and your family, and help us get 100 so we can give this away quickly. Thanks, we'll see you soon.